How to grow pea shoots without soil. Hi all my foodies, it's me again, CiCi. Today let's take a look at how we can easily grow some pea shoots without soil. Here I have 1 pound of whole green peas. So first in a large bowl, we're gonna put in the peas and pick out the ones that are half. These are not good anymore. Then add about 4 cups of room temperature water. Soak it in water for 12 to 24 hours. Until you see little sprouts came out and doubled in size. And drain out all the water. So you can see a little sprout here, so cute. And then we're just gonna rinse it in water. And then drain it. To grow the pea shoots, you can use a steamer and a pod, a colander and a washing bowl, or just simply a cover and its aluminum foil pan. So for 1 pound of peas, we'll need 3 pieces of 10 by 12 aluminum foil pans and covers. My husband helped me to drill some holes on the covers. Okay, so now I'm going to place this cover over the pan. Then I'm gonna put 2 pieces of wet paper towels on top of the cover. They will help to keep the moistures in. And then spread the peas all over evenly. You could use fewer peas than I did here. It's better to allow them to have some gaps because pea sprouts will grow longer later and they will look even more crowded. Since I only have 2 foil pans and covers, I was trying to fit everything into 2 pans. Now we're gonna cover up with another layer of wet paper towels. Then we're gonna water the peas 2 times a day, morning and night. You can use a spray bottle or you can just use a regular cup to water it. Either one are totally fine. You can also do it more times if you have time. And then if you see there's any water on the bottom, you can throw that away. Now we're gonna cover the whole thing up with a kitchen towel. The pea should avoid direct sunlight for the first few days until you see green leaves came out. The room temperature should be around 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius. If the room temperature is too cold, the peas will grow slower. So on the first day, as you can see, my sprouts grow really fast. I think it's because it's spring right now. And then another reason is because our room temperature is pretty warm. It's actually 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 24 degrees Celsius. And here is the second day. Here's the third day, and by the third day, there's the little green leaves came out. So I took out the paper towels on top and also the kitchen towel, but continue to place it under the shade for another day. By the 4th day, bigger green leaves came out. Now we can transfer the whole trays under the direct sunlight and continue to water the pea shoots 2 times a day at least. And here are the rest of the days. Every day is a really interesting journey watching it grow really, really fast. The interesting part you'll start realizing is that they tend to lean toward the sunlight, so you might want to switch side every other day so then the shoots will grow straight. You can harvest the pea shoots when they grow between 4 to 6 inches. So that's between any day from 7 to 12 days. And later, I actually brought 2 extra trays and grow 2 extra pea shoots. That's why I have 4 trays here. And I just want to show you a little bit how the roots look like here. And to harvest, simply use a pair of kitchen shears to cut them. Okay, so to stir fry the pea shoots is super easy. In your pan, we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Add in the garlic. Also add in the salt. When you stir fry the salt a little bit in the beginning, it's gonna make it more aromatic. You can give it a try and let me know how it goes. And we are using high heat. Now add in the pea shoots. Stir fry for about 30 seconds. That's all you need. You can just eat as the way they are, like salad. They're like microgreens and they taste really sweet, really nice. You can also cook it in soup, you can cook it with noodles, and you can also stir fry it. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, always comment below. If you have any tips and tricks on how to grow pea shoots or any other vegetables without soil, also comment below and share with us. That's it for today. Subscribe, thumbs up, share this awesome video. Bye now!